McNeil. I'm the father to three of these boys that are going to be racing tomorrow in FiberwerX truck. I raced some 30 plus years ago, clear back when Mickey Thompson and Parnelli Jones raced. So it got into my blood, and it's definitely continued to do so. I'm proud of my boys, and I hope that they do well, and more than all, that they be safe.
Our Plaster City test went really well. TK was able to meet us in Plaster City before he went down to do his pre-running, and him and Juan were able to do some laps in the truck, and everything really turned out well. No issues, and the truck seems dialed ready for race day.
Hey, TK McNeil here. We got the Trophy Truck 234 with Jason McNeil and FiberwerX, and today we did the shakedown out here in Plaster City. Everything went well. I'm going to be riding with Juanco from mile 395, and we'll be taking it to about 900 over to Laredo. So we're excited for the night run and see what we can do and keep her in line, and then let Jason go ahead and take it to the podium.
So Contingency Day here, we just got back to the hotel. It was good to see that it was back here right next to the hotel here on the main drag, not out of town like the last couple races due to COVID. There's a lot more people at the Contingency spot here, and a lot more open than there has been the last couple races. So it was really good to see a lot more fans interacting with the racers, and it was just a little bit back to normal. This year's pre-running in the Baja 1000 was a little tricky. The fact that I'm starting the race, going to 450, and my brother Tyler will be jumping in the truck and doing 450 to 900. Connor Sachs was able to do the course marking and notes for me, and I feel like we're really ready. Being the fact that Tyler is going to be driving, I needed to get a co-driver. My brother Brandon McNeil will be co-driving with me. We have a lot of time pre-running. This time I feel really comfortable. He's also very mechanically inclined, and we've done our tire changes, our practicing, and we're ready to go. My name's Brandon McNeil. I'm co-driving for my brother Jason McNeil for this year Baja 1000 race, race car number 234. It's been a few years since I've been in the truck with Jason, but I'm really excited for the opportunity, and the most important thing is for us to finish. We will lock up the points championship with that. Looking forward to it, really excited, and I think with a little bit of luck on our side, we'll make it to the finish.
What's up guys, Kyle here, Ramona Metalworks with the FiberwerX race team number 234 in the Trophy Truck Spec class. We're down here with Jason and the whole crew, and we'll be racing down to La Paz this year and all the way to the peninsula. I'll be getting in the truck with Jason around mile 900 to the finish at whatever, 1,227 miles. Feel really good. We did a solid prep on the truck, changed everything there was to change on it. We got all the spare parts ready to go. Yeah, feel pretty good about this. Feel good navigating. We've pre-ran the course twice in our section. Feel comfortable with Jason's driving, and just want to get this thing across the finish line. Get on the podium would be killer.
This Baja 1000, it's really exciting. It's more exciting than any other race I've ever done. But being in the points position that we are, leading the points championship in our class, and also the overall points, we really want to get that finish. So, we're first off the line, which is, obviously a very good push that we'll be able to have. And really, we got everything we have, the spares, the tools, the team, and the going down and the opportunity to go down to the tip is to finish this season off is something that I'm really looking forward to, and I think that for years to come that I'll always remember. So just really hoping that we can do well, and obviously finish first, and if we have an opportunity to win as well.
Okay, down Brandon. Okay, kind of passenger side, go passenger.
Go. Now we gotta finish. No more spare transmissions.
Hey, Tegan McNeil here with the FiberwerX truck 234. We're here at race mile about 425, 430-ish, and getting ready to hop in the truck here. We had some downtime with the transmission, so it takes a little bit of pressure off. We're just kind of cruise and stay in line and give it to them here down in Laredo.
We're here in San Ignacio waiting for the race truck to come in to do a full pit, tires, gas, and then get on down to VCP 184 to do splash.
La Paz just finished the Baja 1000, 1,229 miles of, I can't even describe what we just drove. Super excited, really happy that we really had zero issues other than a transmission that took us out of the hunt early on, but we were able to get that fixed back on the road, and we won this championship. So can't thank all the crew and what they were able to do, and in so little short of time period, just to get that transmission swapped, the pits going all the way down, leapfrogging us and beating us to all the pits, and just a clean day of racing and pit jobs and all that stuff. My brother TK did an awesome job maintaining and actually putting time on some guys in the middle section with Wanko co-driving. Brandon, my brother, started the race with me and did a really good job calling out notes and changing the tires, flat tires we did have. And then Kyle, that preps the truck, finished the race off with me in the co-driver's seat. So once again, just an awesome year. Stoked to round it off with this championship win, and looking to see what next year brings. Go!